Okay, welcome. This is Nelson, and we are making a fulfillment of our video lessons, and we are able to look at different lessons as far as parameter. So in today's lesson, we want to look more on on some more questions that are concerned with parameter. Okay, so we shall totally be looking at this. Remember, we said that as far as parameter is concerned, we should be able to identify the sides and the shapes, or the sides of these parameters. So here we have been given a question, and in this question they want us to find the parameter of a circle which is already given, and specifically they want us to find the length of each side. Okay, so this is when they have given you the this is when they have given you the parameter already. Okay, and that parameter is going to be of of a square. Let's take note about that. We are going to find the parameter. I mean, the parameter given, it is of it is of a square. This is very important. Okay, because if we know the parameter, if we know the square, we know a square has a certain formula. So for us to be able to understand this, we should be able to know the shape first. Okay, so let me write here solution. Okay, this is going to be parameter of a square. Okay, so we know that parameter of a square is equal to side plus a side plus side plus side. So assuming this is our square, okay, assuming that is our square with all sides equal. So they have given us our parameter here as 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. So they want us to find now these sides when we have been given the parameter. So we can now be able to use this formula of ours to find the parameter. So that means that we can use our parameter being equal to our side plus side plus side. For what? 4 times, because we have 4 sides of this square. So now, since we have been given our parameter, we shall be having our 40. Okay, shall be having our our 40 being equal to our sides. These sides, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So when you have that as 4 sides, then we can now be able to solve the number. So now we can say that our 40, which is equal to 4s, which s is the sides, then we can divide by 4 because we want our sides. Okay, so our sides here should be equal to by 1, so this is going to be equal to 10 centimeters. So now this simply means that our parameter, okay, for this square, these are 3 okay, these are 10 centimeters. So when you apply this, you can still get our 40. So that is how we can be able to come up with with the parameter of different figures. Let's also look at another question which is given. They are saying we have the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 20 centimeters. How long is one of each side? A pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, they are saying how long is this. So here they can even give you the number of sides if they are not sure, if they are aware that you may not be knowing what a pentagon is. Okay, so we say the pentagon is a figure with what? It has 5 sides. Okay, the pentagon has what? Has 5 sides. So let's state our solution here. Can say let this be our solution. You can say penta what? Pentagon. Okay, our pentagon is going to have 5 sides. Okay, so this side might be all equal. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so assuming this is our pentagon and they are saying this, it has what? 5 sides, but we have been given the perimeter here. P is equal to 20 centimeters. So now we should be able to say that now our perimeter is going to be equal to our side plus side plus side plus side. How many times? 4. So now when we have our perimeter, this should be equal to 4 sides. Okay, so if we have been given our perimeter as 20, okay, our P is equal to 20, then our P is equal to 20. Okay, let's begin it from here. Now here we can say our 20, which is the P, should be equal to our 4 what? Should be equal to our 5 sides. Let me try to erase this. Okay, so we are saying, begin afresh. We are saying our perimeter, which is 20 centimeters. Okay, let me indicate centimeters, should be equal to our 5 what? 5. Our 5 sides should be 5. Okay, 5 sides. Okay, 5s. So now our 20 centimeters should be equal to our 5s. So now we want the sides. Okay, we shall be able to divide by 5. We divide this by 5. So our sides should be equal to this cancels. Here we should be able to get 4 centimeters. Okay, so that simply means that our each of these polygon of ours which is given, okay, has what? Has 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, then 4 centimeters. So you can now see that using this approach we can easily get the perimeter of our figures. So for this, shall also be able to stop here and proceed to our next number, and that is going to be that is going to be what? That is going to be part of what we should do. Okay, so let me try to end here, and we shall be able to continue from here. I thank you very much for being part of this, and I might to see you in our next lesson. Remember, we want to handle each side or each shape at a time. Okay.